Hello everybody, Josh here from Rhinox Group on a gorgeous Monday morning in sunny East Yorkshire here at the Rhinox Proving Ground. Just thought we'd take a closer look at the Rhinox Concrete Pouring Bucket. Here it is, the Rhinox Concrete Pouring Bucket. See if I can get a better angle for you. There we go. I'll insert some better shots in a moment. Just wanted to talk about it quickly first. So this bucket is the ideal attachment for those situations where you're not quite ready for a pump. It's not, you don't want to lay out the expense for the pump, but you couldn't back the concrete truck right back up to where you need to pour your pad. Most sites will have either a 12 or a 20 ton excavator on site that sat around doing nothing while there's a concrete pad to pour. So this attachment just gives you that extra option for your machine. Gives you that little bit more versatility. The bucket does come with a multi-pin pickup designed by Rhinox. So not only do you have the 65mm pins here ready to take your 12 to 15 ton machines, but we also supply a pair of 80mm pins ready for the 20 to 25 ton machines. Again, with set bosses, the front pin is a dog bone pin, so obviously those guys running the 12 to 15 ton machines without a hydraulic hitch, sadly it does make it a bit difficult. However, the 80mm pins obviously are the right size, ready to go. This should give you a bit more versatility. So the same bucket, you can buy one bucket and you can use it on either your 12 or your 20 ton machines. Obviously it is a set pin centres, again making it a bit more complicated for those without a hydraulic hitch, but it has been done in the past. We have had customers use them without a hydraulic hitch. It just all depends on what size pins your machine takes and what your pin centres are. I will drop a little notification below with these pin centres. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'll get that found out for you. The other great feature about this bucket is the flow control gate. This is attached on by cable attached linch pins, so there's no worry of your labourers deciding to put them inside a nice cubic metre of concrete. They are attached to the gate, so here you can see there's about a 50% flow. Ideal for when you're finishing off the pad. You've got a little bit more to go, but you don't want to be dumping a whole amount quickly. The gate is removable, so you can lift it out. It is also multi-sided, so if you want, say, 30% flow, you can flip it over and use the arched shape instead, which does give you that extra flow again if you really need to be steady. Another great feature about these buckets that people do tend to use them for is actually pouring shingle into drainage ditch, stuff like that. So you can get a nice steady flow, but without having to go backwards and forwards to fill a standard ditching bucket or a trenching bucket up with your pebbles. You can just fill your bucket up and drive along your track, pouring in what you need and where you need it. So yeah, really great feature. Of course, we have got, sorry, just falling down a hole. We have got the standard Rhinox bucket hooks, so you can just pick this bucket straight up with your grading bucket in there, lift it up, and you carry it away. As I have said before, it does carry 1 cubic metre of concrete in one go. Obviously, this is operator dependent. If your operator doesn't feel comfortable reaching out a full length of his arm with a cubic metre, then you can't really blame him. Again, with the 12 ton machines, I probably wouldn't recommend going to a full 12 for a full cubic metre, but again, 3/4 full, that's still 3/4 of a cubic metre, and you can place it exactly where you want it. Again, with the chute design, so you've got nice aimability, for want of a better word. Yeah, so that's just a closer look at our Rhinox Concrete Bucket. I'll throw in a few more angles and shots as well, so you can take a closer look without me babbling on. Yeah, the Rhinox Concrete Pouring Bucket. Thanks for watching, see you next time.